Hi teachers, Sharon here, and you've got those lesson plans, you've got all of the materials and things that you can teach as is, but sometimes you might need to customize them. So that's what we're going to do today. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the dashboard right here in Teacher Time Machine. Come to Teacher Time Machine, log in first. Once you go to the dashboard, you're going to go to the Shared Library. And that's when you can use these filters. You can filter by just about anything. We're going to go and we're going to filter by grade and by lesson plan. So we're going to click on lesson plan right there and then go to grade 4. That's going to bring up for us all of these, and just click out of that, and then we have all of those lesson plans that you have already, right? And even more from the unit. The complete unit is actually there. So the first one that we're going to look for is this intro to land acknowledgement. So it's right there. There's the intro to the land acknowledgement, and I'm going to go back into that now. I can just grab it from the library by clicking on this little eye to view the content. So when I click on that, I'm actually right back inside of that lesson plan now, and I can now take it and do whatever I want with it. I can actually make changes for my classroom and my context. So, this looks pretty good. That's the one that I downloaded. But what if I want to change something? Here I could add materials. I can just add an item here. If I have something in my classroom that I want to add to that, I could add little notes, right? So there is an easy way to do that. I'm not going to do it now, but maybe I want to change my intro. Maybe I want to add some items there, or my learning experiences. I could go and add something in there, or my closure. Any part of this lesson can now be modified to what I want. Now, another way that we might want to modify this lesson is actually to generate another slide deck for it. We already have one, but in your downloads you had one, but maybe that one wasn't quite right. It doesn't work for your context. So what we had to do here is just generate another one. So we say generate the presentation. Now we've got it took the lesson plan and it made it student facing what should be on each slide. That's what TTM did. Okay, now if I don't like that, I could clear it, but I'm going to copy it now. We're going to show you how to get a slide deck in a real hurry. Just go copy. And once you've copied that, you can also go and change any part of it. But once we've copied it, we're going to go into Gamma. And this is going to allow us to create a new one, paste in our text right there. And we're going to generate from notes or an outline. And maybe you wanted a more minimal one than the one that was provided to you in the unit. Or maybe you want it more concise or more detailed or more extensive. You can now change it to whatever you need it to be. So you just go in, choose that. We're going to go with minimal. And maybe I want a different template. The one that was provided to me was, kind of those softer tones. Maybe I want something more to grab my kids' attention, something like this dark theme. Now I'm just going to do that and generate. And there we go. We've got all of our slides generating for us in just a quick hurry. Okay, now that I'm coming back into here, I'm going to show you another way that we can actually get some. So we're going to go this time, we're going to go into LM Notebook. And this is another way to generate a really stunning slide presentation. So we come into there, I'm going to add my sources. Remember, we copied that text from Teacher Time Machine, pasted in here. And now I just hit this little slide deck button. and it's going to start to generate that slide deck. Now, LM Notebook is not quick about that, so you might want to go grab a coffee while you're waiting for your slide deck to be presented. But again, you just copy it right there, and then you can take it into LM Notebook or Gamma and get a new slide deck in moments based on the changes that you had made to that lesson plan. I'm going to generate that lesson plan so that it goes into my work. You'll see what I mean. So here, once it's generated, you're going to go into my work. Now remember, you brought this out of the shared library and you actually made a copy of it. It didn't change the one that was in the shared library. What it did was gave you a copy that you could now modify for your own self.